So let's do a couple of word problems. Taylor packed 112 lemons into bags of 7 each. Okay, so let's think about it. And she sold all the lemons at $3 a bag. So first what we have to do is we have to find out the number of bags. How can we find out the number of bags? Well, we know the total number of lemons is 112. These are 112 lemons. Okay, and we're going to bag them. So we're going to be 7, 7, 7, so on and so forth. We're going to put 7 lemons in each bag. We have to find out how many total bags are there. Well, clearly it's a division problem. So we just have to divide 112 by 7, and so the answer is going to be 11 minus 7 is 4, 42. So 6 sevens are 42. So the answer is going to be 16 bags. So we have 16 bags, right? And now each bag is going to be sold at $3 a bag. So which means that this implies total money is going to be 16 threes, which is going to be $48, right? So this is the amount of money that she received, is $48. So please note that we first thought of this as a division problem, and the reason why it's a division problem is because we wanted to find the number of groups, and we have done this interpretation of division that if you know the number of items in each group, so we knew the number of items in each group, we wanted to find the number of items, we wanted to find the total number of groups, and that's a division problem. So we just divided. So this was just 112 divided by 7, and the answer turned out to be 16, which went over here to give you 16 bags, and the total money was $48. Okay, let's do the next problem. Other problem that there were 7 boxes of blue pens and red pens, and there were 12 pens in each box. And now if there are 36 red pens, how many blue pens are there? So let's try to first figure out the total number of pens. Okay, so total pens, please note that there are 7 boxes. So here's a box, and this will contain 12, and this will also contain 12, 12, 12, 12, and there'll be 7 boxes. There we have 6, now we have 7 boxes, right? So now you can clearly see these are 7 12s, so we can calculate what 7 12s is, and I can calculate 12 sevens, it's the same thing. It turns out to be this is equal to 84 pens. So there are 84 pens in all, okay? So now we have blue pens and some number of red pens. So let's make some blue pens, and now we have red pens. The red pens we know are 36. We know the total number of pens is 84. So this is clearly part of a whole interpretation. So we want to find out the number of blue pens. The number of blue pens would be equal to 84 minus 36, which is equal to 48. And if you want to see it, you can just do long subtraction. It's 84 minus 36. You cancel the 8, you have 7. 14 minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 48. So you can see that you get 48 blue pens.